Hi, my name is Julian Chavez, and I'm going to talk about my work and travel experience. First of all, I have to say that it was an astonishing experience because I traveled and worked with my girlfriend, and that was the best part of it. Also, I have to say that it is very, very exhausting because you have to work for 8, 9 hours a day and 5 or 6 days per week. Um, at first, we felt very, very, very puzzled because we didn't know anything. We didn't know what to do, who to follow, where should we ask for help, and that's why we felt like a little bit inquisitive because we wanted to know, but a little bit also nervous, I think. Um, Later on, we met a Colombian guy. His name was Nicolas, and he's native. Um, and I have to say that we found a really reliable person because he's a Latin person, so he understood us and he helped us a lot with our job and all the things of that concerns of it. Um, then I also felt a little bit enraged because my team lead taught my girlfriend first before me, and that's why I felt like a little bit enraged. But I mean, I love my job. It was very, very, very tough to do, very hard, and I have to say that at the end of the summer, we felt very irritated. We felt um, devastated because it was 3 months away from home. We missed the food, our friends, our family, and we wanted to come back to Ecuador. But I think it's a very good experience, and but at the same time it is very, very exhausting. So I recommend to work and travel. Thank you.